And tower, Cessna 11554, we're cleared for the option on 15, is that correct?
Okay, you want runway 15 even though the winds are 210 at 15 gust 20?
Yes, that's affirmative because we're working on crosswind landings.
Cessna 554, roger, change to runway 15, straight into runway 15. Runway 15, cleared for the option. On the go, make right traffic.
Okay. Cleared for the option on 15 and making right close traffic 11554.
November 11554, wind 190 at 12 gust 20, runway 15, cleared for the option. You can turn base at your discretion. And on the go, fly runway heading.
A little high, man.
November 345, when able, turn left heading 150. 150, 345. Helicopter 36 Delta Kilo, roger, remain west of runway 15 and 19 at all times. Proceed inbound to the Beta ramp. Landing will be at your own risk. Wind 180 at 14 gust 20. Own risk of Beta, west of that runway 6 Delta Kilo.
Tower, Cessna 1554 will be departing the area to the Franklin County.
November 554, roger, continue runway heading.
Runway heading.
757 traffic, 12 o'clock, 2 miles northwest bound, Icon at 2000 descending.